Welcome guys. This is Galaxy A032F model. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove back cover of the phone. Remove screws from ringer buzzer. Remove ringer buzzer from the body. Disconnect sub flex connector. Disconnect antenna wire. Remove pull-out charging port board. Install new charging port board in the body. Connect antenna wire. Connect sub flex connector. Install ringer buzzer on the charging port board. Put back screws on the ringer buzzer. Install back cover of the phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.